Hello. So now that I have my burner accounts ready and my primary accounts ready as well, remember the primary accounts will be used only for the scanning of the audience. So let's get started and start a campaign. So when you go to campaign and create your first campaign, you will be asked to choose how do you want to scan your audience or prospects. So for this video, I'll be scanning the audience from a Facebook group that my primary account is a member of. So from my primary account, I'll go and find a URL of a Facebook group. Here's a group that I'm a part of. I'll copy this URL and paste in the campaign. So now I have two options what I want to do with this campaign. Either I want to send a message sequence or send a friend request or follow request. For the sake of this video, I'll be choosing to send the friend request. I'll name my campaign. I'll choose my burner account because the burner account will be used for sending out the friend requests. I can set my daily limit. I can filter the audience based on the keywords in the bio. For example, the CEO, founder, okay? I can also exclude the keywords from the bio like freelancer or student. And then I can also add filters for the location. For Facebook, the accuracy of the location filter is not that great, so I'll skip that. And I recommend you to skip that as well. Now, either I want to only focus sending the friend requests to the females or the male audience. I'll choose both. Then the next option is, do you want to include group admins? I'll choose no because I don't want him to know that I'm sending the friend request to his audience or the group members. I can also send the friend request to the people based on how many friends we have in common. So if I send a friend request to someone who does not have any friend with me, obviously he'll see when he's accepting the friend request that there is no common connection. So it's very unlikely that he would accept the friend request. So I would say one friend in common. So I can say 10 friends in common. For this video, I'll skip this option. The next option is very important. Do you also want to send a message sequence along with the friend request? So I'll only send the friend request for this video, but in later videos, you can see how we can also send the message sequence along with the friend request or when the friend request is accepted. There are more advanced options like CRM automation. Based on the events, I can set the stage on my CRM, but I'll skip this for now. I can choose to create my campaign or start my campaign. So now that my campaign have been created, it's scanning the audience from the group. It takes about 10 minutes to start scanning your audience, so we request your patience at this point. Okay, so now that you see the campaign has started scanning profiles and it's now scanning the profiles and the messages will be sent shortly. One thing that I updated after pausing the video is I removed the include bio keywords because that would then, remove all of these people and only scan the founder and co-founder or CEO and co-founders. So that's it for this video and see you in the next one.